Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to block installing apps on your iPhone. So to do this, you just need to go to settings, and after that, let me go back. In settings, scroll down a little bit until you find screen time. And in screen time, you just scroll down a little bit until you find content and privacy restrictions. And after that, you click on iTunes and App Store purchases. And after that, when you are in the screen, you click in installing apps, and if you don't want to install or that someone can install apps on your phone, you just click on don't allow, and like this no one can install any apps on your phone, and like that you will block installing apps on your iPhone. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next